What you see on the screen isn't your standard AI. It's a jailbroken version of Google's Gemma model, which was released as a free, open source project. I've removed every single restriction, so now it can answer any question you throw at it, including uncensored topics. As you can see here, I asked it an uncensored question, and it's answering effortlessly without any constraints or filters. If you don't believe that big tech companies are restricting their models, just watch what happens when I ask ChatGPT the same thing. And there it is. It clearly refused to answer that exact same question. The truth is, these companies are always watching what you ask, collecting your data to sell it or use it to train their models. But this free jailbroken AI isn't monitoring your conversations at all. Since it runs locally on your phone, your chats stay on your device, making it completely private and safe. No one is watching you, so you can finally ask whatever is on your mind. Whether you have questions about phishing attacks, it will give you accurate answers without any restrictions. If you ask about hacking, it will actually assist you, which is something no other AI is willing to do. Just try asking Gemini, ChatGPT, or even DeepSeek. None of them will give you the answers you're looking for. But this AI has no limits, no restrictions, and no one monitoring your private chats. It's completely free, runs offline on your phone, and keeps your data secure. Honestly, what more could you want? So, let's break the limits and dive into jailbroken AI. To get this running, your phone should have at least 6 gigabytes of RAM and 8 to 10 gigabytes of free storage. If you have that, just follow my steps and you will be good to go. First, go to the repository I am showing on screen right now and scroll down until you see a section called Android Installation. In that section, you will find a link to download the Termux APK, so go ahead and click it to download the app. Anyway, back to the process. In that Android installation section, you will see a git clone command. Copy it, open your Termux app, paste the command in, and hit enter to start cloning. Once the cloning is done, go back to the repository and copy the second command. Paste it into Termux and press enter. This command will move you into the cloned repository directory. After that, go back to the repo and copy the bash installation command. Paste it into Termux and press enter. This command will set up the system and download all the required packages from the internet, so give it a little time to finish. At some point, it will ask you to select an AI model. Take a moment to check the model sizes and pick one that fits your device. I personally recommend going with Google's Gemma 2 model. It is great for general tasks and small enough to run smoothly on most phones. Once you select it, the download time will depend on your internet speed, so grab a cup of coffee and let it do its thing. Once it is finished, it will ask you to press any key to complete the installation. Go ahead and do that. Now, copy the final run command from the repository, paste it into Termux, and press enter. When it starts up, it will ask you to choose a chat UI option. You can pick whichever one you prefer, but I am going with llama.cpp. Feel free to choose any option that works for you. Once you select your chat interface, it will take around 20 seconds to launch and then open automatically in your browser. And just like that, your local AI model is ready to chat. Go ahead and ask it anything you want because no one is watching and your conversation data never leaves your device. Alright, that is it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop a comment and I will do my best to help you out. I will see you in the next one.